Hey guys, so it's a beautiful afternoon and I wanted to show you what we've been working on. In the last video, you saw that we pulled out all the plastic bits, the seats, the dashboard, and now we've begun our dashboard design and concept. We wanted something unique while keeping to the theme of the 80s Defender. And the best example of an evolution of the 80s design is the new Defender. And so rather than putting in a Puma dashboard and being limited by its layout, we decided to build our own. We could have done it in 3D, but it's easier where we're at to build it on foam. It's a lot faster as well. We're going to go through multiple iterations of what you see here. This is the first iteration. Our gauge cluster is going to be the Autometer Envision. It is the perfect solution for us. It's about an 11-inch screen that has its own sensors, GPS speedometer, and all of that. So we are pairing that with either a 10.25-inch ultra-wide display, or the other option would be a 12.5-inch display. We're going to iterate with both, see which one works well, then build up from there. Once this is done, we really don't have any limitation in what material we are going to use. It could be carbon fiber, aluminum, or steel. A lot of thought has gone into the ergonomics of it. We do have an electronic shifter, so that means we can pull out the original gear lever as well as the transfer lever, because we're running an electronic shifter for the transfer case. And that gives us, again, more space to run things how we want it. This is just the start. We have a long way to go. As you can see, this is the interior as we speak. But it's coming out well. This is week 1. By the end of this month, we expect to have this entire dash fully mocked up and ready to be built out. We even have the option of 3D printing the entire dash or vacuum forming the elements and piecing them together. But this is what we are starting with. Tell us what you think. Love to hear what the Defender enthusiasts have to say. Good or bad, we will take it and build on it and see what we can do. So to add to this, the reason why we are building the dashboard first is that engine and transmission are still in transit. We expect it to be here by mid next month. So we're trying to wrap up interiors, get the body sorted by then. Our doors will be coming in around the same time as well. And then it's just a matter of piecing things together. Let us know what you think in the comments. We will definitely build on it. See you in the next one.